My name is Nitya and I upload 2 beauty videos every week. So today I'm gonna be creating this look. I'll be getting ready like this on Rakshabandhan. I'm telling you, this look is very less time consuming and I kept it very simple and very minimum. I used very less products. I tried to just use very less products because there is no time, you have to do so much of work that day, so it's very easy and very less time consuming. So if you want to watch this look being created, then keep on watching. Off, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face using Biotique Bio White Advanced Treatment Cream and just taking a little bit. I've almost finished it. It's almost empty. Since it is day function, रक्षाबंधन बेसिकली हम लोग दिन में ही बनाते हैं, तो फिर मैं सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करूँगी मॉइस्चराइज़र के ऊपर, और ये है बायोटिक की सनस्क्रीन। दिन में ही होता है फंक्शन, तो पिगमेंटेशन ना हो जाए कुछ भी, सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई डेली बेसिस पे करनी ही चाहिए। एंड इसको मैं अच्छे से लगा लूँगी। So as you know, my favorite, I always use Maybelline foundation since it is very lightweighted and it absorbs on your skin very nicely. So I have taken a little bit of the foundation and I'm gonna be applying it on my face, little bit at a time, and I'm not going to keep it very heavy, just a little bit. I'm taking the Maybelline concealer and I'm gonna be applying it on the areas where I need the brightness, where I'm gonna be needing brightness, and I like to apply it on my eyelids too, just taking a little bit here and here. I'm just going to be setting my face with the loose powder, and I'm not going to bake it since my skin is being very dry lately. So I'm taking a little bit of rose powder and setting the face only in the areas where the base will crease up. Only that area I'm setting. I forgot to apply lip balm, so I'm taking this Himalaya lip balm and I'm just gonna be taking it on my finger and applying it. I'm not showing you the products, I'm just telling you the name because I've been using these products in all the videos. I'm in love with these products, so whenever I'm going to be using any new product, I'll be showing you in this video. I wanted to keep it very short, that is why. And now I'm just oh my god, I'm filling my eyebrows, just filling them. Just a little bit. I've used all the products are I kept it to very minimum since it's just a home thing and nobody's seeing me, and I just wanted to look good because since very long time I haven't stepped out of my home and I literally wanted to get ready. So I'll be doing this. For my Rakshabandhan outfit is this, my Rakshabandhan makeup is this, and yeah, I'm using a blush as an eyeshadow. I'm just using very less products, very less products, since everybody can relate with me because you don't have time that day, na? I've taken this blush. This is the Sugar Mini Blush Contour D-Force in the shade 03 Mauve Marble, and I've taken a little bit and just putting it on the crease of my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer. So yeah, I'm taking this and will be using it on my crease line. Just using it above the crease to give a hint of little pink, since my kurta is going to be pink. So now this is done, I'm gonna be using this shade of highlighter and will be using my finger to just give a little shimmer. That's it, a little shimmer. Now I'm taking Nykaa eyeliner and will give a wing just outside. That's it. I'm not going to take the liner here till here. I'm taking the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now I'm taking the same blush that I used for the eyeshadow, and blush also I'm gonna be keeping it very minimum and just pop up these apples and apply. For lips, I'm going to keep it nude, and I'm using this Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Berry Red, and just I'm going to be outlining my lips. In the middle of the lips, I'm going to be using Nykaa lipstick in the shade Bombay. It's the liquid lipstick, and will apply it on the mid of my lips, just like this, a little bit, and I'm mixing it with my finger. That's it. That is the thing which we are going to do with the lips. Now I'm taking this highlighter, the same one which I used in the crease, and applying loads of it. And for completing the look, I'm just wearing these awesome earrings from West Side. I just bought it from West Side. And so yeah, with that I finish up this video. I hope you guys loved the look, and yeah, I'll be keeping it this simple. I'll be getting ready like this only. I hope you guys love this video, and I tried it to keep it very simple, very minimum, and very less time consuming. And yeah, so if you guys try out this look, don't forget to tag me and just comment down if you love this look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Bye.